I hear him. Jesus Christ, my boy.
What up?
What it do?
What's up? What's up?
Hell yeah. Check it out. We're at 365 Performance, and he brought his car because he wants to check out the coilovers. We're gonna do a photo shoot after this, but this is insane. This is one of one. This thing is crazy.
Keep these.
Damn.
One to one, bro. No one got them shit.
Everybody's gonna want him now.
Well, hit up Kai Works. You got him.
Damn. What's going on? So we made it to 365. We've been here for a little bit. Carlos got some spacers on his car. Dark as hell. There you go. Carlos got some spacers on his car. He's telling me he's gonna get new wheels, and they look similar to what, Carlos?
I guess similar to those, but with like a fatter lip. Those are like RG4s, and I'm gonna get some R6s.
R6s?
Yeah, they don't have them. They don't have them here. I guess they kind of look like these too. They just have like a fatter lid.
They have a pretty big selection of wheels. If you guys need any wheels, 365 is the plug. They got wheels that can get you any wheel, tires. They do alignments. There's the alignment rack. If you guys need any installs for as far as coilovers or any suspension components, they do all that stuff. Airbags. They got the tire machine. They got all these lifts. They're working on a bunch of cars.
They lift all the trucks.
Sick.
Yep.
We got seats. You guys need any seats?
They actually stock multiple. I gotta order it.
Some good oil for us Scooby owners.
Hell yeah. 530 and 540. When they come in, James, Paul, any of them here really.
Ask for James or Paul. Say that Carlos sent you, or me, but mainly Carlos because he's been here a lot more than I have. This is, I think, my second time being here.
With my wheels, stepping like a gray.
They look so different.
Yeah, and then the red, huh?
They look so different. We got a Tesla on the left. What the fuck?
Yeah, right. What the hell? That's dude, all of it, bro. Off-road tuners. I guess apparently Teslas now.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Tell me why that shit looks like my hood, bro.
It does.
That reverse scoop, and then that part at the top,
really
the flat
does.
part.
I just noticed
Look at that, and then look at my shit.
It really does. Whose car is that?
Damn, I don't know, bro. Some baller.
Some baller.
Yeah.
Hey, you don't have to flex on us like that, all right?
Oh, I thought you meant that car. I thought you meant the Infinity, bro.
Calm down. You don't have to flex on us that hard, all right? We all know you're a baller. Look at this. One. This isn't one of one, is it?
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Now people are starting to get them, but I had it like 6 months ago.
So this was a one of one. It may still be a pretty, like, what?
At least
Pretty rare, like a 1 of 3 maybe so far. 1 of 6. Scoopless hood. What about the slip?
that Sidebond did, bro. If the newest one, you know, we had to fab shit up, bro. We had to chop that shit off right here.
This guy said they make shitty stuff. No, I'm just kidding. He didn't say that. So he decided to chop it off.
We gotta make it work, bro. You know, we
Hell
always
yeah.
gotta make parts work with our builds.
Yep. Again, if you guys are near Pomona, come 365. 365 is the plug. They'll get you anything and everything you guys need for your car.
Cut.
Carlos is gonna pull his car out. We're gonna move out to the back of the street. We are still at 365. We're gonna shoot right around here. I'm kind of worried because there's cops, but hopefully we're good. Honestly, I think I'm gonna leave my car here. I don't want to pull mine out and risk getting a fucking ticket. Carlos is over there breaking necks, so I'm standing here just because when he pulls out his car, I'm going to see, he wants me to see how much gap he has before he scrapes. I think that he has about 2 to 3 inches because, you know, his car is like a fucking monster truck. No, I'm just kidding. Mine's a monster truck. Look at that. But when he pulls out, we want to see how far his carbon fiber lip is from the ground, and hopefully it doesn't scrape. That way he has a reference point as far as how low or what angles he can take with his car. So hear it. That it is not loud. Tell me that that wasn't loud. What the hell? Stop right there. You got about 3 fingers. About 3 fingers. Easy. I told you it was like a monster truck.
You don't want me to slam it more. How about there?
Right there? 2 fingers. 2 fingers.
Sick.
What? I'm saying like 2 fingers.
You want this, bro? Your comfy pillow?
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Got you, bro.
Let's go. There's carbon everywhere.
Yeah.
No back seats.
I installed that. The red carbon.
Oh shit!
So now it
Nice.
matches the steering wheel.
I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but everything is carbon. Plus there's red carbon. So that's pretty sick.
Can't even see it.
I can't see it from here. It's kind of hard to see.
What do you think, right here?
Yeah, I think this is tight. Photos right here. Pretty chill spot. Hopefully the cops don't show up. They're on the other street, but we'll see. Step, 2 step. My goal is to convince them to do 2-step at least once. Yeah, that's good. Once. I'm telling them, I'm gonna try to convince you to do 2-step at least once.
The cops weren't friendly.
Maybe on a different street. Maybe. Just maybe. But you guys gotta drop a like. If you're watching this video, you gotta drop a like, and you just might get to see a 2-step. Maybe a launch. Maybe. Alright. I'm gonna get some more photos. If you guys want to check out the photos, head to the link down below. It's gonna be my Instagram. I'm gonna link his Instagram down below as well. For the fire pics. Head over to his page. I'm only gonna post a few. He's gonna post the rest of them. So if you guys want to check those out, head over to his Instagram. So drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this lip splitter, you would call it? What would you call it?
Lip splitter.
Yeah. Slitter. If you look at it low enough, it looks like the front like pokes up a little bit, but I think it looks pretty sick. Still looks like a monster truck, but
Oh, thanks, man.
I'm just kidding.
You're gonna go to the Derby. I'm already self-conscious.
10,000 likes and we'll go off-roading in this thing.
What, man? All right.
You heard it. We're finally done at this spot. Carlos is gonna pull his car back over to 365, the driveway, and we're gonna take some photos with the sign in the back. That way we can send it to the boys. Shout out to 365 again. Thank you guys for being so cool. And let's see what we get after this. We're gonna go eat, so it'll be cool, and we are also gonna hopefully do some pulls with the WRX. It is fucking hot in this car. God, sheesh. I left all my shit here. Oh my god, it's hot. My phone's probably not gonna work because it's fucking hot. Look at it. Can you see it? It says temperature warning. Needs to cool down. What if it blew up in here or something? That'd be cool. My batteries. Gotta first gear this shit. Look at these fucking things. Fucking horrible, eh? Let's see if I can make it pop. Nope. Here we are, farmer boys. But I don't know about that horn.
What, my horn?
It sounds like it's dying.
It's the Hella Horn Super Tone. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Here you go.
It's the Super Tone Hella Horn.
What?
Why you hating, dog?
It sounds funny. I feel like I hate on this guy a lot without meaning to hate on him. That's the thing. That's the worst part. It just sounds funny. My bad. I'll stop hating on you. How do you say it?
It's alright, bro. I know it's a love-hate relationship.
No, I love the car. I just don't know about the horns.
You have something wrong with it, right?
You know what you should do? Those fucking train horns. That would be tight.
The what?
Train horns?
And what?
No gap. Going like this. No gap.
You have less of a gap than I do.
Yeah, I also rub. In case you didn't notice.
That's true. You don't rub.
Just well, not anymore.
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Yeah, this gap. The previous
The
gap.
previous gap, yeah, for sure.
Yeah. The
Fuck.
previous gap was sus, dog. This shit is.
It's a little better. It's a little better.
It's a lot better.
There's still some gap, but it's good enough. It's functional. How about that? It's functional.
You weren't rubbing. Look at that, bro.
Oh no, definitely not. Brand new, look, brand new fucking
Yeah.
tires. Look at that.
You were not rubbing at all, bro.
Fucking clean. Look at that.
That's how they came.
Have you seen people that shave them?
Nah.
Really?
Really?
They shave them like smooth, like no letters or nothing, so they could stick the tire letter.
See, if you touch yours, you're not rubbing anymore, right?
Hey, don't finger my girl.
I'm fingering her, bro.
Damn.
Look. Right? Okay, now feel mine. Finger my girl.
Oh shit.
Now you can see I have a lot of room.
I feel like no, dude. I have more room than you do.
That's what I'm saying.
My girl's more gapped.
Oh hell no! I have way more room, bro.
Fuck no.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck no.
All that is hollow. I got plenty of room.
Well, as far as going up,
Yeah,
yes.
going
but
up.
I thought you were talking about like fender to tire.
No, because right there, it's cambered out enough where it's gonna go in.
In. Okay.
Yeah, it's gonna go in. It's not gonna touch this.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I was gonna say like fender to tire, dude. Your girl's tight. Mine's all loose. Fucking like finger and a half. Yours is like a finger.
Her front's
So-
front's way tighter.
Shit.
This one. Look at that. Yep. And I could still push it out. I'm still gonna push it out a tiny bit, like a little bit.
Yeah. If you guys want to see a full video on this, we're gonna do a full video. So make sure you subscribe. We're gonna do a full like breakdown of the car, right?
We got another install too. We got an install coming down in a few weeks probably.
So stay tuned for that. Subscribe. Go check out his Instagram. I'm gonna link it down below. I already told you guys that, but check out the link below. Drop a like, and like I said, we're gonna do a full teardown because this is far from stock. So it should be an interesting one, an interesting episode. We also got he's got a sponsor that getting some new parts. He's got a new sponsor, right?
It's an intake snorkel duct. It's the company's
Velocitech. So shout out to Velocitech. We're probably gonna do a video, or I'm gonna do a video of him relocating that oil cooler, right?
Yeah, we gotta move it over. So we're gonna relocate it, make brackets, cut those lines, build new lines, at least new ends for those lines. So you gotta move the oil cooler out of the way because the duct goes right where the oil cooler is right now.
Yeah, so it'll say like we're on this area, so he's got to move that. So keep an eye out for that, and then we're gonna do a full teardown on this one of one so far in the US with this wide body kit. Goodbye, see you later.
Peace out, homie.
Taking the red Super home.
Damn.
There you go. Peace out, and have a good one.